All right, you want silky, cozy broccoli soup with almost zero fuss? Give me 3 minutes and a pot, and I'll have you dunking bread like a pro. Here's the hook. No cream, no fuss. Just bright green, velvety soup that tastes like it simmered all day. Let's cook. You'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter, 1 onion, chopped, or 2 shallots, 2 cloves garlic, sliced, 1 large head of broccoli, about a pound, stems included, 3 cups vegetable or chicken stock, low sodium. Optional, a small potato or half-cup cannellini beans for body, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Optional finishers, yogurt or sour cream, grated sharp cheddar, chili oil for heat, toasted almonds or croutons for crunch, fresh herbs, chives, dill, or parsley. Pot on medium heat. Add oil. When it shimmers, toss in the onion with a pinch of salt. Stir till it's soft and translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add garlic, 30 seconds. Smells good already. Add broccoli, florets, and peeled stems for extra sweetness. If you're using potato or beans, add them now. Pour in stock just to cover. Lid on, medium-high heat, and simmer 8 to 10 minutes until the broccoli is fork tender but still green. Pro tip, don't overcook. Green turns dull fast. If it's soft enough to mash with a spoon, you're ready. Kill the heat. Tilt the lid to vent for a minute. Carefully ladle into a blender or use an immersion blender right in the pot. Add a pinch of salt, a crack of pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to wake it up. Blend until silky. If it's too thick, splash in more stock or hot water. Too thin? Back in the pot for a minute to reduce. Taste check. Need depth? A teaspoon of olive oil or a knob of butter? Need brightness? More lemon? More savoriness? A tiny pinch of Parmesan or a dash of soy sauce. Pour into bowls. Top however you like. Swirl of yogurt for creamy tang. Grated sharp cheddar for comfort. Chili oil for heat. Toasted almonds or croutons for crunch. Fresh herbs, chives, dill, or parsley. There it is. Vibrant, smooth, legit delicious broccoli soup in under 20 minutes. It's meal prep friendly, freezer friendly, and kid friendly, especially with a cheese sprinkle. Want variations? Add a handful of spinach at the end for color. Curry twist. Sauté a teaspoon of curry powder or garam masala with the onion. Dairy-free creaminess. Blend in a spoon of tahini or soaked cashews. Final bite test. Warm, green, comforting, with a bright finish that pulls you back in. Grab some crusty bread, dunk, and call it dinner. If this saved you on a busy night, hit save, share it with your future self, and tell me your favorite topping. See you in the next quick cook.